na siguro kay Senator Sonny Trillanes. But I'm thinking of filing cases against SOJ Aguirre with the Office of the Ombudsman. This is a clear administrative offense, if not criminal offense. Alam nila yan, bawal yan. Even the AFP, they should know, bawal yan. Yes, the facility it belongs to the AFP. Parang pinahiram lang yan sa DOJ Bucor nung linipat nila yung mga drug convicts na yan for temporary custody.